okay? I want to cover a couple things here, right? I got a couple of concerning issues, and I got a couple other things I'd like to talk about here, all right? Now you can probably hear the siren in the background. I apologize about that. But me and a subscriber each talked about this pullback here, and looks like we were pretty much both right. It came in between where we were both talking about a support area. Okay, this is on the monthly. We're going to go out to the weekly here. Okay, we talked about this fourth wave pullback here, and it poked down. Let's see here to roughly 399. All right, we were looking for about 409, so we were about 10 bucks off maybe, and I think he was talking up here. And I have fantastic support up here at 409. So we were both about right in the middle here. So very good call out there. Now, let's take a look at a couple things here. I want to go out on a monthly. All right, and take a look at this thing. All right, very big chart here. So we got to minimize some stuff. We're going to get rid of all the stuff up top here. We're going to remove the drawings. All right, and take a look at this thing. Okay, now you can clearly see 5 waves up here. Okay, clearly. All right, sticks out pretty much like a sore thumb. All right, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now normally after 5 Elliott waves, you have an ABC correction come in. Okay, but within these big 5 Elliott waves, you also have 5 waves up in here, then you have 3 waves down, then you have 5 waves up in here, 3 waves down, and 5 waves up in here. All right, now if we get in on a daily and take a look at this thing, zoom in here. Okay, let's take a look here. All right, we had this ABC correction come in up top after our 5th wave. We had this ABC come in. If we measure this out, all right, that's the A leg. Our B leg is up here, so we put that on top. Right. Let's see here. Put it right into right about there, okay? And we were looking for a pullback somewhere down through here, okay? But came up a little short, all right? So that ended up being the ABC. All right, now if we look at a couple, then typically you should start another 5 waves up. All right, we have the daily right at the bottom here, ready to turn back up. Okay, we have the weekly. Let's see where the weekly's at. We have the weekly at the bottom, ready to turn back up. All right, now we have the monthly up at the top and just flip bearish. Now, if we pull this regular RSI up and take a look at something here, if you look at charts, you can see what I'm looking at. Okay, lower highs. All right, that is bearish divergence. Okay, which is usually not a very good sign. All right, you have lower highs coming in here on the RSI. Okay, and then if you go back out to price action, you obviously, if you line them areas up, you can clearly see, from this point up, higher highs. Okay, so we got some bearish divergence coming here on the monthly. Is that going to affect us? It could. Okay, this could be a top, and it could start, after this ABC, it could start 5 waves down. Now we have the daily and the weekly reset. Okay, so they are indicating a push up. All right, so if we just really zoom into this thing on the daily, let's look. All right, we had that fifth and final wave up there. Then we had this ABC correction. We have our daily at the bottom. Down here, it's only at a 41. All right, the weekly is down to roughly halfway, 49 to a 50. Okay, and our monthly is at right now it's at a 66. Okay, so me personally, I think we're looking at another push up here. All right, I think we could possibly be getting one more push out of this fifth wave, and then we can be starting, a pretty major correction after that. So, Nvidia, as strong as this thing is, you can see this run up here. It has been one hell of a run, from the bottom up to where we're at now. Look at this. 18,974%. That's 189x. So if you had, if you had 100,000 in it, you have 1.8 million. So not too shabby at all. Okay, and is that that's not even the bottom. Wow. Okay. So if we take it, the bottom was back here. Wow. Can you imagine getting in at 35 cents on the video right now? We're going to go from the very bottom up to the top. Up to the top right there. 145,654%. Wow. That's a, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1,045x. 1,045x. Wow. That's pretty impressive. All right, so for every dollar you put in, you would have 1,450 for every dollar you invested in Nvidia. Pretty impressive. This thing has been on a massive run. I still expect it to peak up a little bit higher and then possibly roll over a little bit, get that monthly reset. But what an incredible run for this thing. From 36 cents. Boy, oh boy. If you could rewind time, huh? Alright, guys. Thank you so much. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'd like to give a big shout out to the members of the channel. You guys are awesome. I love each and every one of you. All of these people signed up for the trading videos, the level 3 and level 4s. That's a level 3 membership. You get access to over 7 hours of training videos. So thank you so much, members. You guys keep the channel going, and I cannot thank you enough, and I sincerely mean that. Every single one of you. The entry level ones are 99 cents a month. Every single member helps so much. I am a small channel, 2,000 subscribers, and every bit helps. So thank you so much, guys. I very much appreciate that. And as far as Nvidia, I will be back very soon. Have a great night, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching my video.